Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to another share. Today I revisit a pet shop in Halfway Tree, located on the Springs Plaza known to many locals as Hobby Hut. This pet store is considered the most consistent and integrated pet shop on the entire island. I shared that in a video a few years ago. Today the focus is on the preferred filtration systems used by local pet shops in Jamaica. I will be taking you through at least 3 regular pet shops, focused primarily on aquarium filtration. Jamaica is heavily dependent on fossil fuel as a source of energy. This is imported and transformed into varied fuel types and used by varied companies to generate production and service. This pet shop prides itself in structuring its aquarium filtration system using water pumps, a circulatory system along with air throughout all its systems. Every 3 aquarium are grouped and water cycled accordingly. In addition to the circulatory water filtration system, air is added to the water as it flows towards each aquarium. An extensive setup is seen, or I should say observed, behind the aquarium setup. All aquariums are of the same size and volume of water. When carefully considered, this system of aquarium layout is not intended to house large fish such as koi and large goldfish. Unlike some other pet shop visited in this series, aquarium sizes varies throughout the store, allowing variety in the size of aquatic spaces kept for sale. Interestingly, Hobby Hut has 2 makeshift ponds used to house large fish species. Each aquarium has a substrate, gravel or in some soil. A few seem to be in the mode of maintenance while some are used to house plants and other aquarium ornaments. To be honest and frank, several aquariums here are overcrowded, fostering stressed out. I believe to a great extent this pet shop is now being overrated and warrants a complete refurbishing. It's good to note that the extensive investment in a water circulation system adds to the cost of aquatic creatures sold at this store. In addition, no stored water fit for water changes are seen anywhere. Where asked about the procedure involved in water changes, pipe water is used to tap up aquariums and no aquarium water conditioner is used to ensure fish are stressed due to overexposure to chlorine in water source. This pet shop is also known for the trading of birds, rabbits, guinea pigs, hamster to name a few. According to the attendants within the shop, the cheapest live animal or pets in this store are purely aquatic. This did not surprise me, why you may say, because of its location. This pet shop is located in the central business district for residents shopping uptown. On the flip side, this pet shop supply valuable resources needed for your aquarium, from pumps to feed, to medication. Back to the actual discussion surrounding this particular video. Whilst other pet shop uses air only or power filtration setup only, this pet shop uses both. No visible signs of a backup generator is seen throughout the store. I guess in the event of a power cut, all aquatic creatures are just at the mercies of that eventualities. In ending this share, of all pet shop toured and highlighted, this is the only store using a combination of air and pump-driven water circulation system. I guess this is the primary reason why goods or stock bought here are relatively expensive. More emphasis is placed on water quality, and while little is being placed on actual filtration mechanisms in place. No evidence exists that filtration media are changed or maintained on a regular basis. For now that's it. Talk soon, bye.